Can cities become self-sufficient through urban water recycling? Imagine a city where water flows in a perfect circle, never running out or needing endless supplies from distant sources. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's becoming more possible than you might think. Urban water recycling is a key part of making cities more self-sufficient in their water needs. It involves treating wastewater right where it's generated and reusing it for non-drinking purposes. This means graywater from showers, sinks, and washing machines, along with blackwater from toilets and kitchens, can be cleaned and used again. Instead of wasting this water, cities can turn it into a resource for irrigation, toilet flushing, cooling systems, and even industrial processes. Some cities are already making big strides. For example, in San Francisco, new large buildings are required to install on-site water recycling systems. These systems can cut down potable water use by up to 40% by reusing treated wastewater. That's a huge step toward reducing reliance on external water sources. Other cities like Tokyo and Berlin have advanced wastewater treatment programs that reclaim water for landscaping, industrial use, and flushing toilets. This helps lower overall water consumption and makes urban areas more resilient to droughts and climate change. Urban water recycling tackles many problems cities face today. It reduces the amount of wastewater discharged into sewers, eases pressure on municipal water supplies, and cuts down on environmental pollution. While making an entire city fully self-sufficient is complex and depends on infrastructure, technology, and regulations, the trend is moving in that direction. Buildings and neighborhoods can become water neutral, meaning they reuse the same water repeatedly for different non-drinking needs. Practically, this means installing on-site treatment plants that handle graywater and blackwater. These plants can be as small as a few hundred liters per day or larger for entire districts. The recycled water is then used for toilets, irrigation, cooling, and laundry, reducing the need for fresh water. Governments can support this by creating policies that requiring or incentivize water reuse in new developments. Communities and businesses also play a role by learning about water conservation and reuse. In the end, cities can become more self-sufficient by embracing urban water recycling. It's a smart way to cut down on freshwater use, keep resources circulating, and prepare for future water challenges. With continued innovation and support, more urban areas can turn wastewater into a valuable resource, making cities more sustainable and eco-friendly places to live.